What's up, guys? Welcome back to the 5th day of us recording for Devin 7 days straight. Right now, just heading to the grocery store while driving down what seems to be the block with the most palm trees in San Diego. Well, gotta figure out what to eat for today, so picked up the camera, said let's go drive to the grocery store, get some footage at the same time. See, the best part about driving around in the LC in these city speed limits are you get those low RPM downshifts. Remember, guys, if you didn't see the video before, all the downshifts at 3,000 RPM once the car starts being warmed up is, you hear them for yourself, they're beautiful. So yeah, I did a previous video about the shifting points of the LC and how to get the best sounds out of them. So if you're interested in that, go check that out. These kind of downshifts. So for camera wideness, I'm back to super view. That's what I usually do most of my videos in. I kind of feel like it's the best. It captures the most. You get to see a lot more of the interior, which always see in the orange when you're driving is pretty cool. So once again, you know, I've now done 3 of the different angles. I did linear, wide, and super view. So let me know which one of these angles you guys like best. Let me check my text real quick. Man, there's one part that I'm waiting on, and that's the carbon fiber replacement for the OEM engine bay. I'm working with a local small company in town in Tucson that's going to be producing it. It's a long wait though, man, so hopefully we'll get that back sometime in the next couple of months and I can show that off, and then everybody else in the LC community can go ahead and make the same purchase as well, since they'll have the molds. Alright, I'm gonna run up in here and we'll get right back to the shenanigans. Alright, just got the buns back. Gotta take a look at the LC before I get in it. Gonna get tired of looking at this car. But these are the buns that I'm talking about. You can find these. Yeah, get them and try them and let me know what you think. But alright, we're gonna get back in the car and head back home. Now they got that highway sign right there, but you can't see it because all the trees are in the way. So how would anybody know it's there? Oh yeah, racing straight into traffic. I feel like with all the videos, like out of all the videos, about 90% of them end with me being in traffic. So I guess it's only appropriate for me to end the video here. Thank you guys for tuning in to to day 5. Looking forward to seeing you guys on day 6 video. Not sure what it's gonna be yet. I kind of just come up with them the day of. So thanks for tuning in once again. Catch you guys in the next video.